Fresh protests and tensions have erupted in Imphal, Manipur. To know the whole topic in detail, come read with me. After 3 injured Kuki-Zo men were brought to the Regional Institute of Medical Science for treatment, a crowd gathered outside the hospital opposing their admission, now leading to clashes with security forces as well. Authorities had to deploy additional security to maintain law and order. Now, the background is, why is Manipur facing unrest? Since May 2023, Manipur has witnessed violent ethnic clashes mainly between the Meitei community, which is dominant in the Imphal Valley, and the Kuki-Zo tribes, mostly living in the hill areas. Now, the main reasons are demand for the scheduled tribe status for Meiteis, land and identity related concerns, political and social mistrust between communities, competition over resources and representation. The conflict has resulted in hundreds of deaths, thousands displaced from their homes, segregation of communities into separate areas. Now, what happened this time? The 3 Kuki-Zo men injured in the fire incident were brought to RIMS for treatment. Some protesters objected to their admission. Security personnel used tear gas and other crowd control measures. Hospital authorities expressed concern. Protests inside hospital premises could endanger patients and healthcare services. Now, this has multiple dimensions. The first dimension is the social dimension, shows the deep mistrust between communities. Ethnic divisions continue to affect daily life. Second is the humanitarian angle. Every injured person has a right to medical treatment regardless of identity. Hospitals should remain neutral and safe places for them. Law and order dimension is the third one. Security forces face challenges in maintaining peace. Crowd violence can threaten public institutions. Then there is a governance dimension, highlights the need for reconciliation and confidence building measures. Long-term peace requires dialogue and political solution. Lastly, there is a healthcare dimension. Now, disruptions in hospitals can affect emergency services and patient care. Why is this whole issue important for India? Manipur is strategically important border state in northeast India. Continued instability affects national security, development and regional connectivity. Peace in Manipur is important for India's Act East policy and integration of northeast. Now, this becomes highly relevant for GS Paper 2, governance, federalism, internal security, welfare of scheduled tribes. GS Paper 3, internal security challenges, role of security forces, conflict management. For SA and for GS4 ethics also, this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.